Could Canon be preparing to shake up the APS-C mirrorless camera world once again? If the latest industry whispers are to be trusted, the much-anticipated Canon EOS R7 Mark II might be on the horizon, and it's shaping up to be a serious contender. With features that could redefine the enthusiast camera market, the original Canon EOS R7, released in mid-2022, was a pivotal moment for Canon's mirrorless journey. It introduced Canon's APS-C flagship to the RF mount ecosystem and quickly became a favorite among hybrid shooters thanks to its swift autofocus, impressive image quality, and solid burst speeds. Since then, Fujifilm, Sony, and Nikon have significantly advanced their APS-C lineups. With the demand for cameras that can handle both high-end photography and professional video growing rapidly, Canon seems ready to step up once more. Reports suggest that the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is being positioned as more than just an update. It could be a major leap forward, setting new expectations for what an APS-C camera can deliver. Rumors from reliable Canon insiders suggest a late 2025 launch, potentially aligning with major photography expos in August or September. This would place the release approximately 3 years after the original EOS R7, which matches Canon's typical upgrade timeline for mid to high-end mirrorless bodies. One of the standout rumored features is a significant resolution upgrade. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to house a 40-megapixel APS-C sensor, a considerable jump from the original model's 32.5MP sensor. This change would put Canon in direct competition with Fujifilm's X-T5, which currently leads the APS-C segment with its 40.2MP sensor. The new sensor is rumored to be backside illuminated, and possibly even stacked, which could bring improvements in low-light performance, faster readout speeds, and higher burst rates with reduced rolling shutter effects. A 40MP sensor would open doors for higher detail in landscape and studio work, greater cropping flexibility for wildlife and sports, potential 8K video capture, enhanced performance for fast-paced photography. The original EOS R7 impressed with its 4K video quality, but the next generation seems poised to step into new territory. Leaks suggest that the Canon EOS R7 Mark II might offer 8K video recording, a feature that would make it stand out not just in the APS-C category, but even against some full-frame options. Video specs to watch for include full sensor 8K recording oversampled, crisp 4K footage, 4K at 120 frames per second for smooth slow motion, 10-bit internal recording for rich color depth, Canon log profiles for advanced color grading, improved thermal management to prevent overheating during extended shoots. Canon's autofocus systems are already among the best in the business, but the R7 Mark II is rumored to bring even faster, smarter, and more reliable AF, supported by artificial intelligence, expected autofocus improvements, enhanced subject detection using AI, expanded tracking modes, including birds, vehicles, and even insects, improved low-light autofocus sensitivity, more responsive eye tracking for both stills and video. Some insiders hint that Canon might remove the mechanical shutter entirely, aiming for lightning-fast electronic shutter speeds and silent operation. If Canon can manage this while minimizing rolling shutter effects, it could offer burst speeds in the range of 30 to 40 frames per second with full autofocus tracking, ideal for wildlife, sports, and street photography. Redesigned body, improved handling and comfort. The original EOS R7's compact design was popular, but some photographers found the ergonomics less than ideal when using larger RF lenses or during long sessions. For the Mark II, Canon is rumored to be introducing a more substantial body design with a larger, deeper grip for improved comfort, better heat management, possibly including a cooling system, new joystick and rear dial placements for quicker access to key settings. Design cues borrowed from the higher-end Canon EOS R5 Mark II. This could make the R7 Mark II feel like a mini flagship, balancing portability with professional-grade handling. One of the areas where the original EOS R7 faced criticism was its electronic viewfinder, which didn't quite meet the expectations of higher-end users. Canon appears to be addressing this with a high-resolution 5.76 million OLED EVF smooth 120Hz refresh rate for blackout-free viewing, improved color accuracy and contrast. The rear LCD is also expected to get a boost, possibly featuring a brighter, fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen with faster response times and easier navigation. These changes would make the R7 Mark II a more enjoyable and efficient tool for both photographers and video creators, including vloggers who rely on high-quality displays. One of the most surprising rumors is that the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could completely eliminate the mechanical shutter, moving to an electronic-only system. And benefits of this approach could include virtually silent shooting, no mechanical wear and tear, faster burst rates, reduced vibration and shutter shock. While this is still a developing story, if Canon successfully mitigates rolling shutter issues, the move could signal the start of a new era for APS-C cameras, connectivity and storage. Built for modern workflows, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is also expected to feature significant upgrades in connectivity and storage, including dual card slots, potentially supporting both UHS-2 SD and CF Express cards, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.34. Faster wireless transfers, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 with direct charging and high-speed data transfer, improved cloud connectivity and remote control via Canon smartphone app. Direct live streaming capabilities and faster file transfers would make this camera especially attractive to content creators, vloggers, and working professionals who need quick, reliable workflows. Expected price range: where will it land? There's no confirmed pricing yet, but based on the rumored features and Canon's previous strategies, the EOS R7 Mark II will likely fall between $1,800 and $2,200 for the body only. That would place it head-to-head with key competitors like the Fujifilm X-T5 and Sony A6700, while offering a potentially more complete hybrid shooting package. If Canon pushes the envelope with features like a stacked sensor or professional-grade video specs, the price could edge closer to $2,500, but it would still offer significant value in the APS-C market, with the Canon EOS R7 Mark II shaping up to challenge the Fujifilm X-T5 and Sony A6700 directly. How might it compare? Fujifilm X-T5 strengths: renowned color science and film simulations, classic design appeal. Canon R7 Mark II potential strengths: faster and smarter autofocus, potentially superior video capability, seamless RF mount lens ecosystem, possibly better battery life and handling. Sony A6700 key features: advanced subject recognition, solid autofocus, performance. Final thoughts: is it worth the wait? If these rumors are on target, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could become one of the most exciting cameras of 2025. Combining high-resolution stills, advanced video features, lightning-fast autofocus, and a redesigned body, it's shaping up to be a must-watch option for hybrid creators, wildlife photographers, videographers, and travel shooters. Canon seems ready to answer the call of modern creators who demand both flexibility and performance. If they deliver on these promises, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could set a new benchmark for APS-C mirrorless cameras.